Welcome back, team. Task 3 of the document is related to the Tableau. Tableau is a data visualization software. I guess most of you are aware about it. So let us cross check what is task 3. So task 3, using the same data set, we need to generate two views, and we should write a brief information about the views. Okay, so this is our task, and for that we need to use Tableau. So we do have Tableau software installed in my system, and this is my Tableau, and I will show you how to connect it to the data, and how to conduct analysis on available data. Okay, so in Tableau software, like when you install Tableau software, there's a feature called data. Like there is in menu we have data, new data source. Select new data source, and it is text file, or like you can say it is Excel file. So let me select that one, 8008, send two files. So this is a housing.csv file. So we select that file, and it will be loaded onto the Tableau data source. Once it is loaded, it clearly shows us here. It shows by name, and we get all the details over here. It's processing as I am using Tableau public. Um, it is taking some time. If it is Tableau desktop, it is very easy process to do that. Simply when you do it, when you add it, immediately it will reflect. As it is an online version, cloud computing based one, it is taking some time. So similar to the RapidMiner, when we load data onto the RapidMiners, like a Tableau, it will be added to the data source field, and here we got different types of sheets, worksheets, and dashboards kind of thing. So as for this document, we need to create just views. So we choose worksheets to generate required views. So before this gets activated, let me explain you the sheet. So here, this is a cross tabulation, means like usually Tableau is a cross tabulation kind of thing. So when we use pivot charts in Excel, maybe I don't know whether you people use it or not. It's very common. Like pivot charts looks very similar to this one. Here we have a, let me, I guess it is process is completed. Yes, okay. These are the values that we have. It contains data of 506 records. The total set of data is here. Then we got views and sheets. Let me open sheet 3. So we got housing data, and in housing data we got most of the details are numerical. Okay, so this very small issue with the top doc issue. So let me remove this one. So this is our empty set. Now in Tableau, what happens is we do have a process pane, and call maybe this is rows, and this is columns. So we need to extract, and we need to drag required field, and we need to copy it onto the columns and rows, and we can visualize these are marks. This is marks pane. By using this one, we can improvise our visualization. So let me show you, like if you want to know what is the count of what is the age, maybe different types of age groups, you drop it onto the columns, and we drop it onto the rows. Okay, this is sum of age. Total age is like for all every individual person in the data set, total age become 34,699 years. We can no, like we can create different values of the age. Our data sheet consists of age of 100, and the least age is 2.0. So in that way we can create. Okay, so here it was asked us to identify MEDV1, and I don't want MEDV1 total, I want dimension, and should be divided by age of houses and other relevant data. Maybe so for this one, need columns age of relevant maybe. So we do have different types of graphs over here. You can select that one. So for each one from 50 MADV value, age, total sum. This is this is just for example I'm showing you. This is how we generate. Okay, so we kept it on rows and columns, but this shown like this. Okay, this is 50 is the highest one. This is another type of graph. So this is box plot. And this is bar chart. Okay, so this is histogram. You can generate in this format. Okay, so now this is part of that helping you to understand how Tableau can be used. Okay, so this is how we generate some graph. By selecting the graph itself, you can simply create a proper graph or proper information related to it. When we can add details also. Here it is showing only edge of the bin, right? So we can, if you want to show what is that? What is MEDV value? We just drag it onto the label, and you can see that MEDV values are also shown on the list. You can drag index to the label. It shows what is index values. So this is a very easy and um, efficient tool to conduct data analysis and create some business intelligence. In the next video, I will explain you how we can evaluate a relationship between MADV values and listing them by age. Okay, let's see in next video, guys.